Alright fellas, we're gonna unbox the New Balance Salehe Bemburys. So this is actually the 574 YURTs. As you can see, the YURT is right there, this one right here. A very sick artwork right here. Very cool. So let's do like a 360. So right here it says, "Peace be the journey." And there's more YURTs. Nike, New Balance Salehe Bembury logo with a fingerprint right there. Size 10. So I went through the size. I'm usually 10.5, 11, because I have wide feet. But I've heard this one, you definitely just go through the size. Alright. Let's open a box. Nice. So once again, there's a very nice artwork right there. It's a line work of sorts. It's got like a dude, bearded dude that's running. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. This artwork is actually right up my alley. Very low, bro. Anyways, let's go check out the shoes. There it is. Beauty, man. There. Very cool. I'm not gonna go into detail because for sure there's a lot more other YouTubers that's already done that, so I'm just gonna show off the shoe. Yeah, qualities on this one is so good. You can see hairy suede, very nice. Top notch. Oh, nice. There's like a weird logo on the whistle. Pretty cool. Very obscure looking shoe. And that's why I really love it. Look at that. So cool looking. Yeah, once again, this has that shoe vibe, chunky shoe. It says YURT on there, 574. Oh, so it's actually 574, not 547. Anyways, insoles. Let's check out the other shoe, or the other one. Yep, right there. Very nice. So the orange thing on the back, you can actually remove that. It just says, let me see, Salehe Bembury, remove in case of emergency. That's what it says. Very nice, speckled outsole. Right, sorry. So I'm doing this with just one hand using the camera, and the other one, showing you off the shoes. Oh, those are nice also. Nice touch on the lace tips. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Qualities, top notch. ASOS, man. Pretty good. Awesome. Right, that's it. I'm gonna try to show wear these and show in the on feet section.